Just try. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I love you. Hi, Brittany. Hi, Brittany. Come on, Jesse, do it. Wait, what are you doing?
Jump from like here over to there.
Okay. I want to record you. I will. I will call the police.
Go for this one.
Hey, there's your rocks, Brittany.
Are you recording right now?
Yes. I've been recording.
Just edit it.
Brittany's an emo kid. Woo! Go, Jesse! Did you really? Just me and my best friend, Brittany. Okay, I'm gonna...